Welcome to Grumpy Man's Reviews. I have a fantastic gadget to show you today. This is the Achedaway Cupper. It is a multifunctional dynamic cupping massager and it also has the red light therapy. It's good for pain. I've been getting cupping for a long time and believe me, the cost soon adds up. A one-time investment in this and you'll save a lot of money and have a pain-free life, hopefully. So when the manufacturer got in touch and asked if I wanted to review this product, I said, hell yeah, I'm your man. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. Okay, let's take a closer look at the box. As you can see there, dynamic cupping, red light therapy, and smart massage. Cupping smarter, recover faster. On this side, it's letting you know it runs for 3 hours, power fiber on the weight and suction intensity there. Some website information on the sides there. It's got a lot more information at the back here. Explains what it comes with and what each button does and stuff. So let's get it open and then we'll have a closer look. I've used it, I've cut the seal, but I've packed it back up just to show you. You get a well-written instruction manual here. It's letting us know what's what. There we go. Cupping smarter, recover faster. I really like the red light therapy in this. It does really help with pain and inflammation. And you know the modes, what different modes mean. Inside you get some cotton filters. So if you use creams, it has a filter in there that could get a bit gunky, so you can change them out. A lanyard. That's for when you're using it by yourself, because the beauty about this is you can use it by yourself on different parts of your body and it doesn't fall off. So you could leave it there and have the lanyard in your hand so it doesn't fall off. But I've been using it for a good few weeks now and it hasn't fallen off on me, but still better to be safe than sorry. Type-C cable. It does take 2.5 hours to charge and as it said on the box, it will last you 3 hours. It does have 5 programs and on 4 of them it will shut off after 12 minutes, but on the 5th one you have to shut it off manually yourself. There's nothing else in the box. Let's take a closer look at the actual cupper. As you can see, the size on this, it's not that big. Good for traveling as well. So some branding at the top. The power on off button, so you long press it to turn it on, long press it to turn it off. And if you want to pause it, you just push it for 2 seconds. That where it says M, that's your program mode. So as I mentioned before, it's got 5 programs. The first one is a quick suction and release, that's active mode. Number 2 is soothing mode, that's quick suction plus slow release. Number 3 is deep mode, deep suction and release. Number 4 is professional mode, that's continuous suction, no release. Then number 5 is continual mode, triple suction and no release, and that does not shut off after 12 minutes. You have to shut it off manually yourself, but the other 4 programs, they will shut off after 12 minutes. If I just turn it on, it makes a bleep letting you know it's come on. Them lights there, the green lights, that's what indicate what mode you're in. First, second, third, then 5th, and then push it again, you're back to 1. This red light here, that indicates the strength, so you could keep going up. That little bulb symbol, that's for red light therapy, so you could turn it on or off. As you can see, it's gone off. By default it's blue, as you can see there, but when you put it onto your skin it will turn red. Or if you turn it off like I have, when you put it onto your skin it won't turn red, it just stay off. Leave it on for now. That blue light there, that will also light up when you put it on charge, and once it goes off it's fully charged. Type-C port there, so to put it in now, so it's gone red, and once it's charged it will go green. Just remove that. I've fully charged this. It's gone off now. Nothing around there. That's where of course the lanyard would go. That cup is removable, and that's where the filters would go. That, of course, you've seen that, that's the light, and that's where the air inlet is as well, and that one there is the air outlet. It's simple, but it's very effective for pain. Okay, let's give this a go now. I forgot to point out, it comes with this protective film on. I've left mine on because when I use creams and stuff, I don't want to get that greasy. I've left that on. So I'm going to turn it on first. I'm going to pick number 2 because I found that it's quite relaxing, that one. And I'm going to do strength number 3. Then I just attach it on. Just turn the chair around. There you can see that's the red light therapy. If I want to turn that off, I'd push that, that would go off. Now this is just doing the cupping. If I want to turn it back on, I push it and it'd come back on. If I want to pause it, just push it slowly, it's paused. To stop it, I push it and there we go, it comes off. Yeah. You could see the red marker on there. It's really good for getting the blood flowing and also inflammation. So after a workout, it'll be helpful. Loosen the muscles up. Honestly, I've been using this for a few weeks. Even before this, as I mentioned at the start of the video, I've been getting cupping done. And I swear by cupping and acupuncture, they really work. They really do help you recover a lot quicker. And especially this little device, look at the size on it. And as I mentioned before, just cupping alone does cost a lot. It does add up because I've been getting it for many, many years. I didn't even know a device like this existed until Achedaway got in contact with me, and I was really looking forward to trying this, and I must say it did not disappoint. This is a product I can highly recommend. It's a great little product for pain. Thank you very much to Achedaway for sending me this out. Again, link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I hope this video has helped someone. If it did, a like would be appreciated. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.